Today's video is not really going to be a long one. Today is day 15 of the 100 days of code with React, 100 days of React essentially. And we're continuing the code we used for yesterday, but I just wanted to show you something because it will be useful going on in this challenge basically. So what we're going to talk about today is the spread operator. And the spread operator is identified by three dots in JavaScript. These three dots is essentially the spread operator, but just writing it like this does not do anything. You have to use it for something. So as you can see now, we have two arrays. We have an array of even numbers from 2 to 10, and we have an array of odd numbers from 1 to 11. Right? And we want to combine the items of these two arrays into one array called numbers. So what we'll do is we'll write const numbers, right, and equate it to an array. And you would think you would just add, right, maybe even numbers, comma, odd numbers here. If we save this and we go to our, where is it? Okay. If we save it and just go to our console, let me refresh. Okay. Let me console.log it. Console.log numbers. You'll think that this would work, but it actually wouldn't. What it will do is to give it an array of two arrays. So what it's saying is that it's giving an array which has these two here, an array of two items, and each of those arrays now have their own number. So this is the array of even numbers, and this is the array of odd numbers. But that's not what we wanted. What we wanted was it to give you just one array, meaning that it would be like you wrote 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, then 1 to 11. And how you essentially do that is by using the spread operator. So you put three dots before each of the names, and what it does is that it just goes to where the arrays are defined and pulls out the items. Note, it pulls out the items, it does not carry the entire array. It pulls out each item from the arrays and puts it into this new array. So that's what the spread operator actually does. Then if we save this and we go back to our console, if we refresh, we notice now that we just have two arrays of 11 numbers, and that is what we wanted to achieve. This is useful when you're trying to pull out data basically from an array and creating a new array with that data. Either you're working with React, Node, in JavaScript in general, this is very useful. So that is it for day 15. This was just a short video. I think I needed to show you this because it might be useful. It will be useful going on with this challenge. So if I do something like this, it will be understandable. Mind you, another thing you should know is that the spread operator is not only used with arrays, it can also be used with objects. But I will make the one for objects tomorrow. So yeah, this is array removing or using the spread operator with arrays basically. That's been it. See you tomorrow, day 16.